Yes, so Calvin didn't want his Māori Party t-shirt, so guess who's got it? I lucked out today on Father's Day. Now, kuia pēr te wawata o ngā tauira kura tuarua Māori katoa, arā kia haere ki te whakataetai kapa haka o te motu. Engari, ko tukuna e Tia Maipi tōna tūranga i te kapa o Rākaumangamanga, ki aruaru kia atua ia i te hip-hop me tētahi tūranga matua i te kiriata kanikani tuatahi o tēnei whenua. Aroha mai, I mau ake ia ia mātou, taua taitama no te rohe o rāhui pōkeka, ko ona hoa I nai nei a hoa mā, he rongonui, pērā ia Tammy Davis, Stan Walker me Parris Goebel.
Ona moia e orite, he tamaiti e hikaka ana ki te kanikani, a tāna ki te kanikani.
Ko Tia Maipi, koia ko tūmana ko Kaya o Born to Dance.
Āhua shy hoi, me he mea, he kōrero o tāku ka kōrero hia. Champagne! Who's this koro? Who's this koro?
So Timmy, how things have gone so far, bro?
Oh yeah, stoked as, bro. Stoked as. Yeah, pretty stoked. I mean, we're off to off to Toronto, bro, which is kind of cool. This fella's coming. Sorted. Yeah. So real happy, bro. Yeah.
With every door that closes in, don't be afraid to start again.
E kiriata kai tohu tuatahi mo te huringa o te tau nei, ka ngangaro Toronto Film Festival.
Oh, it's one of the most prestigious film festivals in all of North America. So, yeah, I mean, jeez, bro. Oh, just I think validifies our, the hard work we've done, and everything that Tia and all the rest of the dancers kind of put in, all the hard work we put in, has finally kind of gone, yes, it was, it was worth it, and the fact that Toronto has decided to screen us in the Discovery, which is about new upcoming directors, new talent. Is awesome.
Kane thinks you have what it takes to join our crew.
They want me to audition, man. The best hip-hop crew in New Zealand. Should I do it? Hell yes.
Stan and Jordan. Stan was one of my, he was my best friend in the film.
No,
He was the...
My character, he's just a winner. And I think I kind of like that about him. He's just whatever it takes to win. Like the All Blacks.
You're a solid dancer, and I really want you to make it into K Crew.
Arā noa ngā hōnure kei a Stan Walker, hoi ko te Toronto Film Festival, he hōnure anō.
Didn't know you could dance like that?
Ballet really isn't Kane's thing.
Probably because he can't lift his leg up that high.
He's in love with the showgirl.
That's a full-on honour, to be part of, one of the biggest film festivals in the world. And to have our film in there, but to have like our people represented there, to have our culture represented, the hip-hop culture.
Sorry.
That's his birthday today, he thinks he can do whatever he wants. That's my birthday. Kick your ass. But it's just wicked to see our people represented in a way that is it's aspirational. It's aspirational for the rangatahi. So, I'd like to be at that festival. Man, Joe, we're with the big fellas. Boom. Yeah.
You're done with school? What are your plans after summer?
I got the job at the warehouse.
Recycling plastics doesn't count, son. That's why I've decided joining the army.
What?
You got 6 weeks to decide what you're going to do with your life.
This is John too, he played my dad in the film. So,
Are you MC?
yeah, he's a bit of an interview. What was it like working with me on the film?
Oh, this man is very humble, and there's a thing called X Factor that a lot of people don't have, and I think Tia's got it.
I'm finna let it go.
Rākaumangamanga Parris, I timata au te kanikani ki tōna taha I te tau 2021. Nō reira, ahua whārima tau au e kanikani ki tōna taha I nānei.
E rua ngā taitara toa o te ao kua whiwhia I tia taharua kei raro I a Parris Goebel. Hoi I timata mai I Rākaumanga I rāhui pōkeka, I aia I te kura, kia tātaki te whakaari nei.
Aua te kamatoru o kutau. I tū tētahi whakāturanga I ki anei ko haiata me ki okene koira te wāhi I timata mōku mō enei mō mahi. Nō reira, me mea kore kau ko tērā pēr kore au e tutuki enei moia.
I mean a real job.
It is a real job. People make mean money, go all around the world.
You think they'll make it big anytime soon?
So, Boogie, what was it like being a part of this film?
For me, it was tough. But in saying that, I'm so proud of everybody. And
I think it's a movement. I think we're more than just a rugby league country. I think dance is in our culture, it's in our worship. Māori and Polynesian, it's in the way that we sing, dance, perform. So it's, hey man, America, everybody else gotta get ready now. Coming for you.
Coming now. Check. No, sweet.
I'll see you in there.
They don't take it. That's on you. I'll cut you.
This is just a freaking dance.
For you, maybe. My whole life depends on this.
You know, it's a journey of not just one young man, but young people. And I think a powerful message in the film is about redemption and second chances. And just showing it doesn't matter where you come from, that you can actually be something and live your dream.